Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our presentation where we talk about our website called Too Hungry, and we are Team Etsy. And for our goals is to create an accessible platform that helps users to discover a new and explore new recipe to meet their reference or diary needed with a detailed instruction. Well, this is our team member. Nguyễn Văn Huy is our team leader who responds for the profile page and user page, with his role is the full stack developer. And this is me, Nguyễn Trọng Hưng, who responds for search page and admin page, and also a full stack developer. And next is Trần Lê Phi Long, who responds for a recipe page, login page, and navigation bar. And also, he is the full stack developer. And next is Ryota Suzuki, who responds for the landing page and he's also responsible for creating the database, and he's also the full stack developer. And next is Kwa, who responds for password reset page and also the full stack developer. And for our audience, so our primary target is young adult who from 18 to 24 years old, who still a student when they have the pain such as they don't have a big budget, or they lack of cooking skill and lack of time due to a lot of deadline, which so because that they rely on a fast food, and they need to save money by cooking at home, and they want to have better diet, and they some need to have some easy recipe to follow. For the secondary target, we focus on the creator, amateur chef, and or anyone who want to sharing their cooking experience, but they have the ban as like they lack of time, and they find difficulty in posting a recipe when most of the website for the posting recipe is make you need to at least to creating a something like a blog, which costs a lot of time for most of people. So they need to have something quick and easy to posting the recipe and easy to manage the recipe. Also, they want to build up the influence for the posting the recipe.
Website overview. A top navigation bar includes category search, offering users seamless access to their design recipes. The navigation bar also features a light dark mode toggle, making it convenient for users to adjust visibility for optimal browsing whether during the day or night. A prominent search bar sits at the center of the design, allowing users to search recipes in real time by ingredients, dish names, or regions. Users can search terms such as Japanese, Vietnamese, etc., and instantly receive results. Below the search bar, recipe tags are presented, each with a clickable title, allowing users to access specific recipes quickly. The Feeling Lucky features as a fun, interactive element offering random recipe suggestions. Users can discover new and exciting recipes with just one click, encouraging exploration beyond typical choices.
For our navigation and user experience, we have implemented a navigation bar. It is placed at the top of most of our pages with easy access to pages that users are usually interested in, as well as an easy to find home button, a button to go to the searching page, as well as a button to access the profile page. As you can see, here is the aforementioned home button, which takes you back to the landing page. Few links to recipes that are usually searched for, an About Us page where we showcase our goals, the sitemap where users can find the positions of most of our pages, as long as a button to go to the search bar, as well as a login button where users can log in and unlock the full potential of our website. To ensure that all of our users, no matter which device they are using, would be able to read the recipes, we have made our site responsive. When in a smaller screen size, the navigation bar collapses into a hamburger menu with the same functionalities as a normal one. The recipes are then shortened so as they will fit into the new format.
Hello, my name is Hui and I'm from Team HD, and this video will show you how to use our website. So when you first come into our website, this is what is going to display, and here is the navigation bars. uh, you can change the theme from bright to dark mode if you prefer the dark mode, and you can change it. And here are the recipes. So for example, I want to have a vegetarian sushi recipe, so I can click here. It will show you like the prep time, cook, serving, total, for and description, ingredient, and directions. You can write comments, but you have to log in first, then you can write comment. There's a login buttons right here, so it's convenient for you to click on it, and will move you immediately to the login page. And if you don't have the account, you can just click down here in the sign up here, and it will move you to the sign up account. So let's go back, and we have a second button for you to log in is on top right of your screen. So if you click here, you can log in. So I already have my account, so I will just log into my account by using my email address and my password. So here, this is my page. I can add a recipe that I want, which like for example, I can add recipe title, recipe descriptions, the time, the cook time, the serve, ingredient, directions. And if I want my post to be public or private, I can change it here, and I can choose pictures that I want to represent my dish. So I can choose, for example, I will choose like this one. It's nothing related to food, but the features we have here is let you preview your pictures. So we have one more is to edit your post. So right now I want to edit my bread. I want to change it into cookies. So I just go here, I change to cookie. And don't forget to choose your visibilities. You can choose it either public, which other people can search your recipe, or you can choose it private, like no one can touch your or search your recipe. So choose public, and now the recipe has been updated. You can change, edit your profile. You can change your profile image to any image that you like, but it has to be less than 10 MB. For example, if I want to choose this with a 62 MB, it's too large, so it will not showing that your profile pictures or your profile has been updated, like the message here. I can change my name, but I can't change my email. If you want to change your email, you must contact to admin through the footers, through down here. And let's see, like take a look into the nav bar. So we have the cuisines and some of the recipe up here. You can see like you can choose Vietnamese cuisine, or you can just choose a recipe. It will random you to any recipe, or you can click here to search the recipe that you like, or you can just delete the recipe and search any recipe that you want. And here is about us. If you want to know more about how we create this website and know more about our team members, feel free to take a look into this page. And this is the site map to show all of our ingredients, our data from. And thank you for watching.
There's one function that Jordan or we did not mention in the previous part, which is the admin page, and this is page that the user cannot not allowed to go into access to this page, and this page is for administrator to control the user account or recipe. Even account or recipe has some complication, the admin can possibly shut it down. And here's the example of it, where this is how the admin page look like for admin. So admin can type the username in here, and it will provide admin with this kind of list, so they can look at the status of the user, and this is the button to unlock or lock depending on the status of the user. And when it's clicked, it change the status of the user. So for example, I turn this is a tester, and the status used to be the locked, and now unlock it, so he can now access to our website. And that's it for the admin page. For the search function, it's different from the search function that we have in the main page, where this is more advanced search, when it provides the user with 4 different types of the filter that provide user that can help the user to find the recipe that's more suitable to them. And here is the example of it, where you can access this to our navigation bar, like in a navigation, like this icon, or to the link in the navigation bar or in the sitemap. And so how to use it, as you can type some queries, for example the chicken. Either you can choose to search like this, it will provide all the recipe about chicken, or we can provide some the filter to it. For example, I want something that quick to be cooked around, prepare around less than 50 minutes, and cook maybe under 25 minutes. And here is the recipe that can suitable for my page, for my search. Yeah, and prepare only 10 minutes and cook under only for 20 minutes. And that's it, our function. Advanced search. For our accessibility and filling include that our code let use semi-text, meaningful semi-text like navigation bar, body, head, main, sections, and inside that we use the area label to provide the screen reader can identify which section is which section, and easy to structure the page. And also we use the meaningful ID and meaningful ID for screen reader to read it. And for it, besides, for each picture they have the oath to describe the meaning of the picture. And for our website, we support the one with the visual problem, and enhance for the normal person that don't have any visual problem from the color scheme to good color scheme, and also the title, for example, that you can look in our previous part.
Security measures. Passwords are sustainable, and storing them in plain text is risky. Using bcrypt to hash passwords ensures they are protected even if the database is compromised, as it makes password challenging to crack. Secure sessions handling with secrets and cookie session like HTTP only helps prevent session hijacking and access attacks. This ensures that user data remains safe during authenticated sessions. Middleware restricts access based on user roles and status, ensuring only authorized users can access sensitive areas. This prevents unauthorized or compromised accounts from accessing admin resources. The app uses Google for authentication, reducing the risk of managing passwords directly. These trusted providers handle the secure logins, minimizing exposure to security breaches.
Hello, it's me, Hui. So I would like to tell you about the usability test. So overall content clarity is 70% of user rated, or content as extremely clear 5 out of 5, while 20% gave it a score of 3 and 10%. The majority of users found the content to be very clear, but small portions indicate room for improvement in terms of clarities. This could indicate that some specific page or content element might need rewarding or better organizations. Negative accessibilities. 60% of user rated navigations are 4 out of 5, while 40% give it a 5. Analysis. While most users found navigations accessible with no rating below a 4, there could be minor tweaks or improved ease of use, and navigations might benefit from clearer pathway and more initiative menu structures and user flow. So forum interaction, 70% of user rated ease of commenting and posting in forum 5 as 5, while 3% gave it a 4. Analyze the forums is generally easy to use, though there may be a minor improvement in ingredient design, for example, more visible comments buttons or quicker response time after posting. And recipe creations and viewing, creating or editing recipes, 60% rated for 4 and 40% rated for 5. Viewing recipe made by others, 60% rated in 5 and 30% rated it's third. Creations, recipe creations is generally smooth, but viewing recipe by other could be improvements, especially in terms of discoverabilities or how recipes are displayed. And move on to our challenge and the solutions. So the login logout buttons functional not working. So the challenge is the login button wasn't redirectly correctly, and profile buttons wasn't showing up as expected when logged in. So the solutions that we are given is session management, ensure that sessions management and authentication logics on both front end and back end are correctly aligned. Error handlings always include error handlings mechanism for authentications request to gracefully handle failures. CSS and HTML ingredient check the CSS, ensure that there are no conflicts, misalignments that could cause buttons appear incorrectly. Consistent button placements and stylings. The profile button wasn't consistently placed and would touch the logout button. Additionally, you wanted the profile buttons styled like the other navigation buttons, and we're using Flexbox and CSS to use Flexbox for align navigation elements to avoid overlappings and apply specifics margins and ensure enough space between the buttons. The responsive design issues, the problem is with the layout and alignment buttons, and especially with switching between screen size. The mobile, our solution is mobile first approach, ensure the design responsive using media queries and handle small screen size effectively, and handling user testing feedback. So based on your feedback from user testing, some user found it's difficult to navigate site and find the search bar. To improve the navigation visibility, consider making a search bar more prominent and by increasing its size or changing its color contrast with the rest of the navigations. And thank you for listening and to my part.
Everyone for watching our presentation, and all I need from you guys is to access our website to experience and give us feedback. And all I want to say that I want you have a great experience with our website, and see ya.